Hello everyone, and my skates are here. So I'm going to be unboxing this skates. I got it in Skate Hut from England because it's closer to Ireland, so it was a bit better and closer to order. So I received it also a day earlier, and let's see. So it's the Candi Girl in teal skates, and I also got protection for my elbows, knees and wrists. So this is the box. So I hope it fits. I ordered in size UK 8 because I contacted them and they said that it's better because it's a bit snug, so it's better to order size up, and I will try them on and see how they fit. And these are also protections. Now I got this one, Rio. I got it in large because I seen some reviews and they said it's better to order large because medium felt a little bit snug. So I hope this will fit. So let's see. So the Candi Girl box here. And these are the skates. It comes in a bag. The wheels are actually much bigger than I thought. That's how it looks. The wheels, like one of the ladies, she said it's supposed to rotate and it seems fine. And then there's also instructions. There is, yeah, some kind of like a instruction of the Candi Girl. And this is the second one. So I'm gonna try it on, hopefully that it will fit. Yeah, the wheels are rotating just fine, and let's put it on and see how it fits. So this is my foot and get rid of all the papers that's inside of this, and it actually looks like a good fitting size, but I really hope that it's not too small or let's say too big. So the laces. Okay, shall we put foot in? Yeah, so it feels a bit snug like the lady said, but yes, actually fits really well and true to size. So since I ordered size 8, it actually really goes. So if I would have ordered size 7, they wouldn't be fitting, but since I ordered size 8, they actually fit very well. So I'm gonna try and do the laces. So one foot fits, and let's try the other one to make sure that it's going to fit well. And then the reason I got these ones in large is because I can wear them over clothes without being too tight. Okay, so I'm gonna try on second one. Yeah, you would want to go size bigger because it is suede or what it's called, and it feels a little bit, you know, not so easy to put in your foot, but actually fits perfectly, so it's a good one. Okay, so it very well. I'm gonna try put these ones and see. So this one are knees. Oh, it has a strap, so that means it actually goes really well around. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on my knee. Let me put it on my knee first. I think these would be actually very well. How do I wear it? I suppose have to wear it this way because this one has to be on that. So I'm gonna put it over my jeans. Yeah, so size large is actually good. I am size 10 normally, 10, 12 around that, depends on the clothing. But since you have these strap thingies, you can actually make it snug. So that's these anyways. These are going very well, and I'm gonna put another one. And since over clothing, it goes very well as well. So I think depending on your size, you want to get the size bigger for these. Now, which way this goes? Around, I think. This way, yeah? Then this one you can put tighter to protect your knees. The next one we have elbow pads, and goes around this way. Yeah, so which way do we put on? I think with this one goes here, and I can put it over my hoodie as well. So that goes on the and it fits good as well. It's actually good that I got a size bigger, because if I would have got size medium, it would be too small. That's for elbows. Another elbow. This one goes here. So it kind of feels a bit weird because I don't think I actually ever wore elbow pads. So I'm gonna have to get used to feeling a bit robotic, but it's good. Yeah, that other one is for the wrists. So let's see, I never wore wrist protections. I'm not even sure how to wear them. Around this way. So the thumb has to go here. I'm not sure how to wear. Let me see if there's any instructions of how to wear the wrist pads. Don't think it says on instructions. Always wear the protectors on the correct side as marked L for left. Alright, so where are they marked? There should be marking somewhere. There it is. I think maybe here. Okay, so that's left. Yeah, so that's left. And the other one is right. Let's see if I have the same on my knees correctly. Okay, so that's actually left. So I'm wearing I'm not wearing it on the right leg. So this one is left. This one here. So this one is left. Okay, left. And this goes like that. Okay, so this one is left and this one is right, I think. Let's see. Size right. Right. Yeah. This one is right. And put them here. Here. Now, did I actually do this correctly? Let me check again. Yeah, this one is left. So that's correct. So now with the wrist pads, I am not sure how to put it on. So this one is right. Does it have to go to this? I think it's like that. I think that is because it falls like this. Isn't it supposed to be this way? I think, yeah, seems like it. And then putting on this one. It shows inside this little paper, inside here, that's where it says size L and then left. So this one is left one. It's kind of awkward to put it, but I think in time I might get used to it, how to put it. So, okay, ready for home.
Hold up. How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
let's see how it goes. Whoa. 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 Okay, that does go. I think I need to remove these because I don't have a grip to hold on. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Jesus. So at least we have stoppers. So with stoppers it's okay. But how to skate? Okay. So the stopper, yeah. Forward. Okay. All right. So yeah, take time to learn. Thank God I have a pole. Oh, what the hell? Jeez. Okay, at least I have a pole to hold on to, and I can actually make some circles until I get comfortable. Whoa. So yeah, so the stoppers are helping you to stop anyways. Whew. Once you put your foot to that, I think you're not really going anywhere. So let's see. Oh my gosh, what the hell? So there's stopper, yeah, so that stops you. It's actually exhausting. So I actually never skated before in quad skates, and it is very difficult, and thank God that I have a pole to hold on to because I just keep slipping and falling. But in there, that's actually not too bad because I think it's better to actually try on the carpet because, let me show you. Yeah, so I have a carpet here. So on the carpet you have a lot of grip and you can kind of just, you know, walk a little bit. But once you step over there, that's big trouble. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to just keep going in circles and try. But I feel already better. And since it's my first time to get on the quads, I think it's very important to have elbow. I don't have wrist pads right now because I need a grip for the pole in case I try to flip and fall, so I can hold on. But yeah, it's very difficult. We can try and just keep going in circles. Whoa.
Hold up.